Hello, sisters and brothers. Let's get into the review of this software Flick. Okay, so this Flick is literally spelled as Flick, not Flick. Okay, so this is the dashboard of this software Flick, and you can see these are the videos which are previously made, and I think this video are also editable, and you can edit it from here, and you can delete it, or you can upload it. You can share it for your on your social media handles, and you can share it on YouTube. And basically this software is totally a software like which will give you a comparison video. Okay, so these days, man, not only these days, but from the very past, human are prone to purchase their product after comparing it mainly if it is an unknown product. Human are more prone to purchase it after comparing it, or if they are getting the ultimate thing, or the ultimate discount. Okay, so this software is made on that purpose. Okay, so apart from this software, I want to show you the bonuses, which the bonus value which I am giving you, which I will discuss at the end of the video. But let me show the bonus value, that $6,397 custom bonuses I am giving you with this software, front end product. Okay, and these bonuses are collected from so many days by me. Okay, so now just let me start the review video. Okay, so here this is the dashboard, and you are now on the dashboard section, and the next option is compare. But as this is a review version, I think this is not given here, but the upsells will give you or will open for you on the upsell version. It will be opened for you. Okay, I think you should go through the tutorials after purchasing the software. Okay, once you have gone through these type of videos, everything will be very clear to you, and this software is very easy to use. Okay, and this is bonuses. So this is the dashboard. You can see after visiting the dashboard, let me click on create campaign. Okay, once I have clicked on it, let me create any name. Okay, so basically two main things you can do here, that is compare any kind of products, or you can go through the ClickBank products. Okay, as ClickBank is one of the most highest performing affiliate product platforms. Okay, so that's why they have given this. Now after that, you can see here, once I have entered the comparing product section, you can see this is a keyword research kind of research bar, keyword research bar. Let me put any keyword. Let me put here let me put PUBG. Okay, now let me click on search. Okay, it will search on Amazon or eBay, but I think there will be no product named PUBG. Okay, that's why it is loading. They are still searching. Okay, let me change the okay, it has document expired, but let me change the keyword. Okay, once I have clicked on create campaign. Oh, it is not giving me to create campaign. Okay, let me fix it. Okay, it is not giving me to create campaigns. Okay, let me delete any campaign. After that, I think it will give me the chance to create campaign. Okay, now I am given by them. Okay, now let me click on create. Okay, let me click on compare product. Let me put here the iPhone. Okay, now let me click on search. After that, you can see it is loading. It is still loading, and it will show every products from Amazon or eBay which is related to iPhone. Okay, there are so many products which are related to iPhone, and also they will show you the Google competition value, the YouTube competition value. Okay, everything will be shown by them. once you have once you get into this, get into any keyword. Okay, and you can also add more thing to compare. Okay, let me put here Samsung. As this is a review version, maybe that is why they are not showing me all of the things or all of the options. But on your version, which is which will be purchased version, on that version each and every option will be activated, and the list will be longer than me. This list is very this list is I think nothing. Okay, but on your version there will be so many products name, so many things. Okay, there are maybe 20,000 or 30,000 products names, and also the images, and also the prices, and the link of the pages of that respective products. Okay, so this is one kind of thing. And let me now show you another thing, that is clickbank portion. So clickbank product open, let me click on create campaign. Okay, once I have created a campaign. Okay, now let me select on clickbank products. Okay, I can put here anything here. Let me choose docs. Okay, so I think there are so many product. Okay, I think I have exceeded the limit, as this is a review version. I think that is why that is showing me. Let me delete here some kind of stuffs, some kind of previously made drafts. Okay, now let me just restart it. Okay, now put here iPhone. Okay, I think I have exceeded the limit, but it will show you a list of everything, a list of every products which is already on clickbank, and this is will be given you instantly. Okay, so now let me show you the video section, the video portion, where you can edit a video or you can make a video easily. So once I have clicked on editing a video, now let me show you. Once I have clicked on create videos, okay, it will take me 2 to 3 minutes, but on your version the lists which just came and disappeared, you have to just or you can, if you want, you can fill the details. And as this is a review version, that is why they not need to fill the list. And this is the things where you can you can easily customize your videos from here easily. This is the transition, this is the audio part, and the video and the frame rate. You can add slides easily, you can put everything here. You can just use a transition, you can just use an image or everything from your previously saved images or videos. Okay, so after that, and now let me show you. So that was a little bit overview of this software, but I am not happy because I have not given you all of the details, because I am unable, as the limit has been exceeded, and also I just unable to show you the video making process, because I really don't know how to create a video. I have not created on it, but these are the features. Okay, you can easily use this. You can upload a theme, you can upload your watermark, you can just choose here video themes. So many video themes are given here. Okay, but as this is a review version, maybe it is working a little bit awkwardly. Okay, so now let me show you my bonuses which I am giving you. So this is a review page where you will be redirected. There are some facts I have mentioned here to show you why this product is trending and what is the purpose of this product. Why should you purchase it if you want to purchase it? Okay, so and also so many facts are given here. This is the button where by clicking this button, which is given on this page several times, you will be redirected to the software and the bonuses also. Okay, and also a thing that the video description link is the link of this page. Once you have clicked on this page, you can go to the software, and also these are the key features and also the bonuses. Okay, so this is the main price of this product, the front end price. With this front end product, I will give my bonuses once you have purchased from my side. Okay, so these are all of the stuffs put here the ratings, the everything I have put here. And now let me just quickly show you the bonuses which I am giving you. This is the upsells, okay, and also the features you are getting with front-end product or upsells, okay. So these are the bonuses which I am giving you, which is collected from so many days by me. And these are the bonuses. Let me show you. I am scrolling down, you can see there are so many bonuses, but the main interesting thing comes here that after 50 bonuses, you can just see I just have mentioned here that I am tired, as I am tired now, that's why I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, because people have little bit reading span these days. That's why I have choose this method. No one just always to want to waste their time to read something, okay. So that is why I have compacted all of the softwares as mega bonuses, okay. So you can check out the bonuses also, and also the software by clicking these links, this link also. And you can check out the bonuses the clicking the blue button after purchasing the front-end product, which costs only $16.93. You can, after purchasing that, you can click this blue button and you will be redirected to the bonuses, okay. So this was a review of the software, and I am signing out for the day. So bye bye.